Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your Apple ID is signed in and iCloud backup was enabled for the device you want to restore. Once done, plug into power and connect to a stable Wi-Fi network. Restores pause on cellular. Next, check Settings General Reset and choose Erase All Content to reach the Setup Assistant. This clears the device so iCloud can restore. You do this now to start the actual download and avoid partial restores later. Once you're at the Apps and Data screen, choose Restore from iCloud Backup and sign in with your Apple ID. This verifies access to backups. Then pick the specific backup by checking its date and size. This matters if you have multiple backups. After selection, the restore begins downloading, and you should remain on Wi-Fi and power. Apps and media download after system settings and photos. While waiting, you can monitor progress and avoid interrupting the restore to prevent corrupt files or partial. You finish by letting the device complete the initial system and settings restore. Apps and media often continue downloading in the background. This can take hours. If the restore stalls or fails, first reboot the device, confirm Wi-Fi strength and that you have sufficient iCloud and device storage, then retry. Make sure the device runs the latest iOS and that two-factor authentication prompts are accepted. This single troubleshooting step, checking Wi-Fi, storage, and Apple ID, fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.